In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly and easily change the case of your text in Microsoft Word so that each word is capitalized. This simple task can be really useful, especially when you want to maintain a uniform style across a document or enhance the readability of your titles and headers. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by selecting the text that you intend to modify. This is an essential step because it tells Microsoft Word exactly which part of your document you're focusing on. You can select the text by clicking and dragging your mouse over it, or, if it's easier and faster, simply hold down the Shift key while pressing the arrow keys to highlight your desired portion of text. Now that you've highlighted the text, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll find the ribbon. The ribbon is the long strip of tools and utilities displayed at the top of Word, and it's essentially the control center for all your formatting needs. Here, ensure that you're on the Home tab, which is often the default tab when you open Word, especially if you're starting a new document. Within the Home tab, you'll find different groups of commands. For this task, look for the Font group. It may seem a bit overwhelming at first with its various icons, but for today, you only need to spot the button that looks like a pair of letters. AA. This is the Change Case button. It's a handy tool that allows for quick formatting adjustments to your text without having to manually type or retype anything. Go ahead and click on the Change Case button. This will open a drop-down menu displaying several options for altering the case of your text. These options include things like lowercase, uppercase, and the one we're interested in today, capitalize each word, which may also be labeled as title case, depending on your version of Word. Both options do the same thing. They make sure the first letter of each major word is capitalized, resembling the style you'd commonly use for book titles or headings. Once you've selected capitalize each word, voila! The magic happens, and your selected text is transformed so that each significant word begins with a capital letter. This technique is incredibly helpful for ensuring consistency and professionalism in your documents, especially in titles, headings, or even certain elements of your content that need that added emphasis. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully navigated the change case functionality in Word, and you now have the know-how to capitalize text efficiently, making your work not only look more polished, but also saving you time in the process. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks to boost your productivity in Word.